So I've been waiting for these slides for so long. These are the Nike UpTempo slides. And let me tell you, they're thick, but they look good. Really, really good. So I got them in the black and white. They have them in different colors, but I like the black and white one. Everything was on point. I give this one 9.5 out of 10. 10 gates, boys. I don't know what, but they came true for me this time. Big up the feds once again. Look how it look. It fits perfect too. Very, very comfortable. Look at it. Wow. Look at it. Nike UpTempo slides. The black and white edition.